Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to contact ClickFunnels support. All right. So first up, before contacting support, you can go ahead and use their knowledge base right here. Also, if you want to, you can go ahead and use contact support button right here. Just click on it and then chat with the bot. Now, if the bot doesn't answer your questions, you can go ahead and type in here or tell the bot that you wanted to speak to an agent. All right. Remember these phrases: speak to an agent or contact support. All right. Just hit on send and the bot will connect you to a support agent. Okay. Now, if you don't like it, you can go ahead and go to your emailing service and send your message to support@clickfunnels.com. All right. This one. Type in your subject and then your message. Okay. Their chat support usually reply within 1 to 2 hours during business hours. And do keep in mind that the chat or email is only available on Monday through Friday, 3 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time. And that's basically how you contact ClickFunnels support. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.